What's up everyone? Today I am back with another video. Today I'll be talking about the Bank of America Travel Rewards card. I previously made a video about this card, but at the time I didn't have a real camera. I believe I was using my webcam, so the quality wasn't as good. So now I have a better camera, so I wanted to redo the video. This is actually a super easy card to review. There's really not much to it. Basically with this card you get a 25,000 bonus point offer after you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, and then that bonus point offer can be redeemed for a statement credit of $250 when it's used for travel. So that's the main perk about the card. You get 1.5 points or 1.5% back in a sense when you use the card for anything. So for every dollar you spend, you're getting 1.5% back, and that's just pretty easy because you don't have to be like, oh, can I use it here, can I use it there? You're just getting a standard 1.5% back on everything across the board. This card is also a no annual fee card, so you never have to worry about canceling it or downgrading it. But the best thing about this card, similar to what I mentioned in the last review that I did of this card, is that it has no foreign transaction fee. So what that means is when you use this card outside of the country, you're not going to get charged a 3% foreign transaction fee. Typically with a credit card, when you use it outside of the country, like let's say you go to Europe and you swipe your credit card, most credit cards are going to have a fee. You're going to have to pay 3% of how much you paid for whatever you bought. You're going to have to pay as a fee. But this card doesn't have a foreign transaction fee, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's really great. It's really clutch when you're traveling, because you don't have to worry about, you know, carrying cash to avoid that fee. Because I know when I traveled to Europe, I didn't want to get charged 3% every time I swipe my card, because when you're spending thousands or at least hundreds traveling from country to country, that 3% fee really adds up. But then it's also kind of scary carrying large amount of cash everywhere, because you might lose it. You know, you could get robbed, you could get pickpocketed, who knows. So it's just really easy, really convenient to have a card that has no foreign transaction fee. But the thing that's special about this card is that not only does it have no foreign transaction fee, but it's a Visa card that has a no foreign transaction fee. Now what does that mean? That means that anywhere that accepts credit cards is going to accept this card, because Visa is the most widely accepted credit card. You know, now American Express and Capital One also offer no foreign transaction fees, but those cards typically have an annual fee, unlike this one, which doesn't have an annual fee. On top of that, American Express and Capital One, I don't know if you've used them outside the country, but they're not that widely accepted. I went to a lot of places and they wouldn't accept those cards. So it's really convenient to have a Visa that has no foreign transaction fee, because you can use it anywhere. If they accept cards, they accept Visa. That's just automatic. So that's a great thing about this card. I personally don't have this card, but it's very high on my list for that sole reason. I haven't got it yet because, you know, you can't travel right now, and I haven't traveled in a while. It's been, you know, it's been over a year now, because we've been dealing with, you know, the situation. But, you know, at some point I will travel again, and I will definitely apply for this card and get it. What else? Another great thing about this card is that there is no credit card interest in the first 12 months. So while I recommend, as many people, always paying your balance off in full, if you have a big purchase that you can't afford to make and you want to pay it off little by little, you can do that with a card like this. Other cards offer this as well. So this is not unique or special to this card, but it's just an extra feature to have. You know, you can buy something that you maybe can't afford right away, pay it off little by little without worrying about interest. What else? Yeah, that's about it. It's, again, an easy, quick review of this card. There's really not much to it. You get that $250 statement credit to use on travel when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. You get the no foreign transaction. You get a card that gives you, you know, the ability to have no foreign transaction fee, and this is a no annual fee card that does that. Like I mentioned before, most of the other cards, if you want that feature there, you have to pay an annual fee, but this is a free card that gives you that. And then lastly, no credit card interest, no, you know, a 0% APR for the first 12 months. So yeah, I really like this card. I think it's a great card. Bank of America has a couple cards that I'll be reviewing that are, you know, I think great cards. So yeah, I like this card a lot. I think it's worth having and worth getting, and I think it's a keeper card. I think you can use it. You can get a lot of use out of it just based off that no foreign transaction fee, especially because it's a free card. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see any other card reviews or any other type of content, please drop a comment down below. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I post. Thanks so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.